This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, hella quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a parties. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today got something exciting for the Lamborghini to talk about today, and that is the Egear plate and also this trim ring, the part number. I forget it offhand, but I'll put it in the video title and description. But anyways, so I am going to be putting in this beautiful brand new carbon 1x1 weave Murcielago Egear plate. But the really cool thing that I wanted to talk about, so the trim ring itself, this is a very boring part, and these things go for like $300, $400 used. It's just plastic, it's crap. And it's very boring looking in the center console. So I got a really cool idea a few years back, and what I wanted to do was make one out of metal and make it look like a Swiss watch bezel. And it took me a while to finally find a machinist to put this idea together. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what we came up with. Okay, so this is the factory Egear plate, and it's silver. It just looks out of place here, and then it has that cheap black plastic ring. So what we came up with, and I just want to give him a shout out. His name's Cameron. He came up with this. So he basically took my idea, a sketch that I showed him, and he machined this out of titanium. So this is actually going to end up going here. As you can see, that is going to look absolutely amazing. So since these were made out of titanium, they were extremely tough to get machined. So we did a very limited run of these. So these are going to be available. If you're looking to get one of these for your Murcielago, or I think some Gallardos take these as well, visit my Instagram at Car Guys New England, and feel free to shoot me a DM over there. But just want to show you guys. So we only made 7 of these. Cameron had them laser engraved. He kept the first one, but I have number 2 of 7 made worldwide. And again, this is real titanium. It's polished, and they're pretty sweet looking. So if you're looking to get one, make sure to DM me, and we'll get you going on that. We do plan on coming up with some different designs for these Egear rings. So keep an eye out for those as well, because there will be some different styles. If the watch bezel style isn't your thing, then we'll have some other options available as well. Also, since there is only 7 of these in titanium, obviously it's a limited edition, but we also are going to be making these out of aluminum, and they'll be slightly cheaper. So we'll keep you guys posted on that, but the aluminum one's probably going to run about $800 and about $1,000 for the titanium Egear rings. So again, if you're looking for something that's unique to replace that cheap plastic Egear ring, this is definitely a pretty cool option for you guys out there. Again, if you're looking to purchase these, make sure to hit me in a direct message on Car Guys New England on Instagram, and I will get back to you about that. Again, the titanium ones are limited only to 7 units. There will be some aluminum ones coming soon, and we'll make those in a lot higher numbers, but it'll still be pretty limited. So, you know, this is a really cool thing to just give a nice, unique touch to the car, especially since there's so many different options for the different plates. You should have different options for the rings, and just something that looks classy and cool. But if you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to give this video a like. or if you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.